Sige, okay na. Okay na.
I'm staying right here.
I'm staying right here to fight it out.
Well, we have had enough pain, Pepito. We do not want to dying with you. We want to live. We want to live.
Mother, your eyes.
Lapit. Everybody.
Everybody wants to live.
You are
Ito
ungrateful.
yung gagawin mo yung kamay niya, remember?
Okay.
Everybody wants to live.
You are ungrateful. You are very ungrateful, Pepito. You are always very stubborn. When as a child, you'll come to no good end because you are very ungrateful. Oh, that I should live to see this day. When you turn against us, take me to my room, Trinidad. Take me to my room.
Lakad pa ito na. Lakad pa muna. Ito pa.
And then come back.
When you pass to that door, Pepito, the hounds will get you wherever you are. Then what of us who will be left weeping in the dark? What of our sisters and me? You will be left alone in this house. Our friends will not come to fear of the things you've spoken. This house will be falling surely. No roof to hold back, no tears, no walls to cry in, not even loved ones to remember. There will only be broken pieces of us scattered like dust in the dry summer wind. When the poor will come, but this house will be torn down. Only the memory of it will be left. But what will that mean to your nieces and nephews? The crying of an empty wing?
That memory shall not be empty, Mother. An evil wind will blow into this house, into this land. It will cry into the deeps of men's heart and leave them heartbroken. But the oppressed will take up my voice and wash the plains and hills with their blood and drive the fox from our orchards.
And when the valley?
And when the
Valley?
And when the valley shall be free again, this house will be no longer be empty.
Ulitin mo yan. And when the valley?
And when the valley shall be free again, this house will no longer be empty.
It's hard to say goodbye.
It is hard to say goodbye. It is hard to say goodbye, isn't it? Even if we had said